Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock apps on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to lock your apps, so let's see how can you do that. So you just have to look for the app which you want to lock. For example, I'm going to lock my WhatsApp app. You just have to keep a long press on your WhatsApp app and then select require Face ID or require passcode. If you haven't added any Face ID, so you'll get the option of require passcode. In my case, I have the required Face ID option, so select that. Here, select require Face ID if you only want to lock this app. If you want to hide the app, you just have to select hide and require Face ID. So in my case, I'm going to select the first one here. Now my WhatsApp app is locked. So whenever you try to open your app, you just have to verify yourself using your Face ID. If you don't have the same Face ID, so you'll not open the app. So let's try again. So in my case, I have opened the app. You can lock your multiple apps using this way. So just keep a long press on your app, select require Face ID option, then select require Face ID, and your app will be locked. Now whenever you want to open the app, you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID, and after that you'll be able to open your apps. In this way, you can easily lock apps on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.